How does listening contribute to leadership? This is what I'm going to speak about in this video. Before we proceed further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. Listening and leadership, they go hand in hand. And the challenge organizations are facing today is that they do not have enough leaders who really listen. Everyone is so obsessed about themselves that they hardly have time and capability and skill to listen to others. So what is it that you can start doing to become a better listener? And let me assure you, as you become a better listener, obviously it will add up to your leadership competency. First thing is, your listening shows to people that you are interested in them. Everyone wants to experience this from others, whether this other person is interested in even talking to me. And when you listen to people, the message that travels across is that yes, this person is interested in listening to me. And that contributes a lot to the motivation level of that person to stay connected with you, stay connected with the organization. Everyone wants to be heard, and that will happen only when you take interest in people. I'm sharing an example of an executive, top executive, how he used to demonstrate to others that I'm interested in listening. When they are sitting across the table, he would clear the table entirely so that the passage does not get obstructed. Whether there's a file or a laptop or anything, there's nothing in between the two persons. And what is the message it gives to the other person? Yes, I'm interested in talking to you. Whether it's a minute's conversation or whether it is 1 hour's conversation, it's immaterial. Second important thing that happens when you listen to people is you get to understand them. There's a phrase that goes that every person is driven by their stories. What does it mean? Every person has his or her own challenges in their lives and they are living through them. And when you listen to them, you get to understand, where is this person coming from? What is the reason of this person's XYZ behavior? Why is this person doing what he or she is doing? You get to understand only when you listen to them. It gives them an opportunity to open up themselves. It helps them to express their thoughts and feelings more freely. And that gives you a reason, that gives you insight into their world. So you get to understand people when you listen to people. And when you understand people, obviously it's part of your leadership capability. Third important thing that happens when you listen to people is that you are able to empathize with them. When you have understood a person, you are able to empathize by understanding their feelings, by finding out ways as to how you can help and support them in overcoming any negative feelings that they are going through at a given moment of time. And again, if you look at the word empathy, it's a leadership trait which is required a lot in the organizational context. And if you look at the subject of emotional intelligence, empathy is a very important part of that. So you are able to empathize with people. Fourth important thing that happens when you listen to people is that you are demonstrating to people that you are accepting them without any judgment. You are not wearing any glasses of any biases, any prejudices, any opinions, and you are accepting them as they are. And again, this is one of the important needs of human beings, that they want to be accepted as they are. Irrespective of caste, creed, education, background, nothing matters. And you are demonstrating that I accept you as a human being first. Everything comes later. And that will happen only when you listen to people. The next important thing that happens is, which you must demonstrate, is that whenever you are interacting with people, you must allow people to complete what they are saying. Let me say this, leaders are obsessed by speaking themselves. Leaders are obsessed by their own thought processes and they hardly give time to others to speak. But what I am suggesting is, contrary to this, when people start speaking, let them complete. And when they are done with what they have to express, that's when you can perhaps get clarification, give feedback, or seek some more understanding about what they are talking about. But let them complete first. And the last thought here is that you will get lots and lots of ideas to work on when you really listen to people. Just closing with a quick example. In one of the private sector companies, the owner of that company, there was a long meeting, the whole day had gone into a meeting, and towards the end, a young officer, he wanted to say something. Everyone looked at that fellow with sarcastic looks. Why are you speaking at this time? That was the message being given. But this owner of that company, he said, let him speak. You never know, it may turn out to be a multi-crore idea. And that is what leaders really do. You get ideas to work on when you listen to people. Become a better listener, enhance your leadership capability.